Okay, as you can see here, I've got a sample project file. This is just a file that I've created and saved in a folder. If I come over here and I look at that folder, I just put it right here in Dropbox, and it's just in my Dropbox folder under inside of a folder called Sample Project. I also put a couple folders in here, and then I dropped a couple of configs in here just to see. Nothing major, but okay. So we're going to create a project, and that way we'll be able to reference it. Now you see the sidebar here. That's you'll see it in the default install, but Command K, Command B will hide and toggle that for you. So what I'm going to do is go to Projects, and I'm going to say Save Project As, and I'm just going to, it's already defaulting to the sample project. I'm going to say sample.sublime-project, and I'll save that. Now, as I did that, I can come back over here, and you see in that folder that it's created 2 new files for me there. And so I'm going to leave those alone. I'll come back on over here. Under Project, I'm going to go ahead and edit the project, and it opens up the project file. Now, I've already got the text I want to add in here, but I'm going to add the folders of the project in it. And so I'll just drop that in here. So what you do is folders, colon, inside your square brackets and your squiggly brackets, you put the path to your folders. And you can add multiple lines here if you wanted to. The Tuts Plus video covers it in more depth, but for me, this is how I use it. So there's the path that I want to use. And as soon as I Command S and save that, you can see all of a sudden on the left-hand side, all those folders showed up. So I can close this out now. And now I'm in that sample project file, and if I wanted to pull something from a config, I could just come on over here and select the config. You notice it immediately shows it. It's not open though, but it's almost like a quick look. And so I could take something from there, and I could copy that, and then I could just come back on in here and drop it in there. So it's nice to be able to switch through those files and you know, traverse the directory there. If you wanted to, you could open up the file just by double clicking it, and it opens it up in another tab. So that's how I use projects to work with the configs and the documentation that I put together.